Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now it is October 17th, around like 5 o'clock, and we are at Fame's first pumpkin patch.
And we're gonna show y'all. Let's take a stroll.
Say hi, Bubba.
Look at us.
Say hi. We ain't racing. Are you ready?
Y'all, we about to go see some pumpkins. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know what they got here. But we gonna find out. Yeah, we made it. We made it. Hey, hey, hey. Hang on in there, little captain. He's like, bruh, I ain't even trying to be here. It's alright.
You want to?
Look at that big chair. Bruh, say I won't go sit in it.
You want to set him down and let him play with some pumpkins?
No, no. I don't trust his grass. Somebody been eating that. Look at it.
Walk around the pumpkin.
What you doing, Bubba?
Nope. Okay.
Bubba. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
He said, bro, what is it? Big old pumpkin, son. These are big pumpkins, man. Yeah, hit it. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
That's so cute.
How you enjoying it, fam? You enjoying your little pumpkin patch?
We get up to the line, and it's $14.99 a person, right? Which,
$14.99.
okay, you got kids, whatever. So 2 and under is free. I said, so we gotta pay? Cause like we ain't about to do no activities. Like it's like little kid stuff. They were
Verbatim.
like, yup, $32.99.
I mean, but look, there's a lot here, but all we're doing is just
Walking around.
walking around. So we paid $32.99 just to walk around and look. But they do have a petting zoo, so boy, they riding. They over there laying eggs. Got a little duck in there.
Bubba, you like the chickens?
See these animals, man? He said, I don't give a damn about these animals. We're about to go to the petting zoo. You see these guns, Bubba? You like it, Bubba? How are y'all? What do you say?
I said, that's just so cute.
People over there riding that camel.
Bam. Bubba. Hey, look at mommy. Guys, can you believe we have a family now?
Look at us. Hey.
Bubba, look at the camera.
Look, fine.
Give
Look.
mommy a kiss. Give mommy a
Yeah, I
kiss.
will.
Give mommy a kiss.
He just tooted in my arm. Look, Bubba, look.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Hi.
He ain't worried about no
Hey.
camera.
Pumpkin Patch 2023. Aww. Just a dad and his son.
What's up, man? What's up, man?
He's trying to bet him.
Oh, you're petting his horn, look.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all, I'm about to go ride this real quick.
Oh my gosh, y'all, he is funny. He was popping a whole wheelie. Do it again. Go back around. Go back around. He said he paid $14.99. He ain't about to waste it. What's What's he say
I'm
on Friday?
tired.
What's he say on Friday?
Yo, I'm tired.
What's he say on Friday?
What did he say?
About that bike.
What?
Who?
Debo?
Yeah.
This is my bike, punk. This is called the what? The rat roller. It's Thunder Mountain.
They got cornhole
They got cornhole where at?
right over here.
Ain't nobody trying to see me in no cornhole though. Fang, you wanna play some cornhole? You wanna play some cornhole? Here.
Look, you can set the
Come on,
camera
Chris.
up on the hay bale.
Toss that thing in the hole. You ready? You ready? Toss it.
Come on now, you're throwing it like your nana.
Are you ready?
So you need to throw it like your mama.
Throw it like your mama. You ready? Woo!
Alright, now you trying to see me?
Come on with it.
Alright. Look, he started laughing. Say, I'm at the pumpkin patch. I'm at the pumpkin.
We're at the pumpkin patch. What's over there? She went foosball.
His little face is a little dirty, but it's okay.
What's over there? Tug of war? We're gonna throw 8 bags and we're gonna see who's gonna make the most. Who do y'all think gonna win?
Me.
Nah, alright, come on. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so out of all that, she made 1. 1 out of 8. Let's get it. My turn.
He ain't about to make shit. Say hi, baby. Fame. Say hi, everybody. Say I'm tired.
All right, y'all, so we just came to the conclusion that we are going to end on a good tie. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Fire pits. You was scared, Loki.
Yeah, it was. That's a little much.
That little slide was fast, wasn't it?
Let me tell you. Oh,
Watch me rope. Y'all didn't know I was a roper, huh? Check me out, check me out.
Fame. Look at mama. Y'all, he's so cute and precious. Sweet baby. Show me what you got, cowboy. Girl, look at him. You see your daddy? Isn't that hilarious? Look at him go, y'all. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubba.
This is how you rope, y'all.
All right, try to hurry. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
That is hilarious.
Y'all, look at my sweet baby. Come on, man.
All right, y'all, we on our way to play some basketball. She always thought she could shoot. Fane, what's wrong with
You
you?
ain't about to embarrass me on camera.
Yeah. Fane, what's up, man? What, man?
It's about time to go.
Yep. He said, first of all, I ain't had my nap. Second, I'm getting a little hungry.
Wait, let me get on this side.
All right, choose your basket.
Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here.
All right, out of 10 shots. Okay.
I gotta redo.
All right. All right. 0 for 1. 1 for 2. 2 for 3. 3 for 4. 3 for 5. 3 for 6. Come on, babe. 4 for 7. 5 for 8. 5 for 9. And 6 for 10. So you only missed 4 shots.
All right, put him on the ground and let him poke the
Beat you
ball.
by 1 shot.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, over there, see?
You got lucky, Jack.
Look at his little feet. You got hay everywhere. Go on, you little farmer.
Okay, y'all, so we kind of had a meltdown with Fame because he face planted into some hay. So it is time to go. He's over
Hey, what
it.
you doing, man?
He's biting on your button.
Yeah, but hey, y'all, we is about to get up out of here. It's time to go eat some food. I don't know what we're gonna eat yet, but we're gonna eat something.
I think we're gonna eat on the border.
Ooh, that sounds good. On
But anyways,
the
you
border.
guys, this was Fame's first pumpkin patch.
But yeah, y'all, this is Fame's first pumpkin patch, but this definitely won't be the last. But we had fun though. We had a lot of fun. But I kind of wanna go do a little pumpkin bowling a little bit.
Now it's time to go. He's about to start
All
lighting
right,
it
y'all.
up.
So we are about to get up out of here. It's been real. Peace.
Peace.